Hi, I'm Eric from Vibe. With Vibe, we empower your firm to stand out. Whether you're a construction, architecture, or engineering firm, this video will show you a smarter way to collaborate, present, and win more projects. This is the 55-inch Vibe S1, an all-in-one solution for design review meetings, virtual markups, and client walkthroughs. Winning a client's trust starts with helping them see the vision. Vibe Canvas is a perfect tool to walk through proposals with live markups. Clients can leave feedback during the meeting or help you confirm decisions right on screen, helping you both move forward with confidence. You can also start a video call with one click, no matter where you and your team are. The Vibe Smart Camera ensures clear video, and you can easily share your screen during the call, so everyone can see and work on drawings in real time. As an architect, effective review is crucial to avoid costly rework. With Vibe's Canvas app, you can layer markups directly on floor plans, align redlines, and capture team input, all in one working file. You can also use the Vibe tap to screencast, bringing any files from your laptop or mobile device directly onto the board. Use split screen to cross-check the changes of the actual situation. You can sync your design files with your personal computer or cloud storage to keep everyone on the same page. Vibe is designed to help you review faster, align your team better, and preserve your designs throughout every phase. As a project manager, staying ahead of the issues means staying aligned. With Vibe, you can run weekly stand-ups using Canvas Kanban to track progress, flag side issues, or assign next steps on the spot. Pull up RFIs, punch lists, or job site photos from your project management app, all in one view. Use split screen to review budgets while referencing site updates, so decisions happen quicker and teams stay synced. Whether you're presenting to clients, coordinating with your design team, or running weekly site check-ins, Vibe brings it all together in one interactive hub built for builders. It's a smart investment that helps reduce rework, win more projects, and keeps your team moving on schedule. Ready to see it in action? You can book a one-on-one demo or buy now and enjoy a 30-day risk-free trial. Let's build a smarter world with Vibe.